Igbo should work on themselves. This whole issue of fighting ourselves on social media is becoming too much. We are not just the only tribe that hate ourselves, but let's try to sugarcoat our own. Make it no be like saying our own na come worst. Open your Facebook, you go see one Igbo man and another Igbo man fighting themselves. You go see native doctor and this one fighting, pastors and this one fighting. Make una know they do all this thing. No, it's not bringing good name to us. It's not bringing good name to us at all. We have more troubling issues to handle than all this so-called distraction we're always giving ourselves all the time. If we don't have any other content to create, let's just go and let's leave Facebook and allow others to do it. Hey, my people, they don't say it. Ayaya Nando. I don't see where they go online since 2 days ago now concerning these two native doctors, Ayaya Nando and Okongwu dibia. Let me just give you a brief summary in case you don't understand what is happening right now. This Ayaya Nando you see here is a native doctor who based in Nando, in a place called Nando in Anambra State. And Okongwu dibia, in the other hand, is just like native doctors ambassadors. He's someone that always go to native doctors shrine, he make videos of them and then he posts it on his platform. So it got to a point where someone referred this Ayaya Nando to this Okongwu dibia. They told him to go and make a video of Ayaya Nando, that he's also a powerful native doctor, that he should make a video of him and post on his platform. Which Okongwu dibia now went to Ayaya Nando's shrine and make a video of him and posted it on his page. And when he posted, when he made that post, it happened that it's like more people began to visit Ayaya Nando through Okongwu dibia, because Okongwu dibia also have a very large audience on Facebook. So now he's bringing more customers to Ayaya Nando. From there, someone advised Okongwu dibia that he should, why not him go and start making more videos of Ayaya Nando, since people are going and testifying of his good work. Now Okongwu dibia now went again and made that video, and at some point Ayaya Nando and Okongwu dibia now came into agreement, of which, according to this time I'm narrating right, is according to Okongwu dibia's claim, of which Okongwu dibia and Ayaya Nando now say that Ayaya Nando now told Okongwu dibia that he should now become his personal media agent. That is, he should be videoing only him, that he should just forget about other native doctors. He should just be videoing, making only his video and be posting on his platform. And as a result of that, Okongwu dibia now said that since it is this way, then we have to reach agreement. They now reach an agreement which Ayaya Nando said that he's going to be paying Okongwu dibia 250,000 monthly as a salary. He's going to give him a car, and he's also going to build a house for him, according to the agreement. This I'm saying now is according to the story narrated by Okongwu dibia. So now, after they have done reaching that agreement, Ayaya Nando, according to Okongwu dibia, said that Ayaya Nando only made 250,000 naira payment to him as a monthly salary at that first month, because they made themselves like 6 months back. It's not even up to 6 months now. So he only made the 250,000 naira salary payment at the initial time, which he even paid 3 times according to Okongwu dibia. And after making that payment, he's here to build the house. He's just promising that he's going to build that house for him. Even the so-called car, he's here to give him the car. He's also telling him that he's going to give him this car. And they are now working together. They started working together. Okongwu dibia was praising Ayaya Nando, telling people on his page that Ayaya Nando is a very powerful native doctor, bringing people to him also. They are working, they are doing work, doing all manner of work. To the extent that a day someone brought a car to Ayaya Nando as a gift. And Okongwu dibia now told Ayaya Nando, I like this car, why not you give me this car? According to your promise. Ayaya Nando told Okongwu dibia that no, he's still going to buy a car for him, but this particular car that someone brought him as a gift, he's going to give it to his family. He wants to dash it to his family. Okongwu dibia now said, okay, no problem. Remember, this I'm narrating now is according to Okongwu dibia. So they kept on working, and it got to a point where people that Okongwu dibia brought to Ayaya Nando started complaining. Some of them started complaining that the work that Ayaya Nando did for them did not work out. Some of them started threatening Okongwu dibia that he has deceived them, that he has duped them, that Ayaya Nando is not doing what he said that he's doing. And when this thing was happening, Okongwu dibia went to Ayaya Nando, told him that look at you, see what people are saying about your work. That some of them said that the work you did for them did not work out. How do we go about it? According to Okongwu dibia said that Ayaya Nando told him to forget about those people. That he should forget about those people. And the pressure kept on coming. People kept on DMing, people kept on messaging Okongwu dibia, people kept on bombing his DM with messages, all manner of threat and everything. And Okongwu dibia now said, look, this thing is coming too much. I'm the one facing the heat. You don't even know how I feel. That let's look for a way to do something about this. And each time he said this, each time he's telling Okongwu Ayaya Nando about this, Ayaya Nando kept on bullshitting him. And while all this threat was coming to Okongwu dibia, the car promise that Ayaya Nando made to Okongwu dibia is yet to fulfill it too. Until one day, Ayaya Nando went and brought a car, called Okongwu dibia, gave him the car, he told him that he had bought a car for him. And according to Ayaya Nando said that when he started inspecting the car, that the car looked like something that have stayed in the mechanic workshop for over 4 years. That the car looked so unkept, that is, the car does not even look like something that is a new car. That this car looked like something that the car that is faulty. So now, after that, he called him and told him that that car has fault, that he don't like it. So Ayaya Nando now told Okongwu dibia that he's going to come and take the car to the mechanic for repair. Which after taking that car, according to Okongwu dibia, he said that after Ayaya came and take the car, that he's yet to hear anything from him again. So why this comment? Why these people, and why all this was going on? People are still bumping him, threatening him that they're going to deal with him. That that the native doctor he referred to them is not doing anything. That his person is duping them. So now Okongwu dibia now came out online to debunk those news, since Ayaya Nando is not responding to the complaint he's making to him about what people are saying. Now Okongwu dibia now said that it is time for him to come out and clear his own side, so that people will know what is going on. So 2 days ago, Okongwu dibia came out online and started telling people that he never knew that Ayaya Nando was a fake, just like the same way them now are being duped. That is the same way Ayaya Nando have also duped him, Okongwu dibia. That people should not be angry with him, that it was not even his fault, that he thought Ayaya Nando was original. So now you see, this is how all this story happened. Yesterday now, after Okongwu dibia made that video, yesterday now we saw a video where Ayaya Nando summoned 7 deities against Okongwu dibia, that they should go and that those deities should go and kill Okongwu dibia for coming out online to spoil his name. That these 7 deities should go and kill Okongwu dibia. You see, this is how hot this case is right now. So now, this issue now, I see and say the issue don't tie rapper. My advice now to Okongwu dibia is the issue of deity. It's not something someone should play with. You know, sometimes social media can just be like alcohol. As you they do, and people will encourage you, keep it up, brother, don't fear this and that. You go to ginger your spirit, you don't even know what you they do. Sometimes you might even be wrong, but because of the encouragement from people that don't even know what is going on, because of the gingering, the thing will they high you, will make you they high. So my advice now is say, Okongwu dibia, I'm not trying to judge anybody among these two stories, because I know that there is no smoke without fire. If you know you are not innocent, don't look at these people that are hyping you. May they not go hype you death. It's better you try to find a way to make a peace with this native doctor. Because all these people that are hyping you today, now if something happened tomorrow, they will just be like, oh my god, oh hey, yeah. They will just this is the only thing they can say, and after saying all those things, they will not do anything. So if you know there is any way you have wronged this native doctor, it's better you go and make peace with him now. It's better you go and make peace with him now, because you know, say no be only all this touch not my anointed. It's not for only pastors and prophets too. There are some nators that are also anointed as well. So if you know there is any way you have wronged this native doctor, forget about all this social media hyping. Take this thing off social media. Go and settle with him. Go and settle with him for peace sake, for peace to reign. And once you are done settling with him, remove your hand from this native doctor thing wey you dey do. Because they say that na person wey river see in leg, na in dey swallow. So once you are done with this case, remove your hand from this job wey dey do. If you know say you no ready, remove your hand. Make you no go carry yourself and your generation put for trouble. I know what I'm saying. You remember the story of Ada Jesus? This is how it started though. Because people are now hyping you. This is the same way they were hyping Ada Jesus that time. Today now, where is she now? So Okongwu dibia, if you are seeing this video, go and try to make peace with Ayaya Nando. Remove this whole saga off social media. Don't allow these people that are hyping you now to go and hype you to death. I know what I'm saying. Thank you.